All right, so this happened last night, which would have been 1/8 of 2023, and it would have been about 12:10 in the morning. I never reset this after daylight savings. But if I let this play out, we could see Ben Harmon here, gonna come around the corner. There he is. There he is walking. Walking up being suspicious. But he disappears here, and he actually goes to my neighbor's house and checks their cars. See, he's looking. And that's when he goes up and checks their cars. You can actually see the light from their camera comes on. Because he's caught on their ring doorbell camera. But if I bump this up a little bit, here he comes now. Because it would be this top right camera. I guess it's blurred out from my light. I guess I need to turn my light off. But yeah, that, if I did not know any better, that is Ben Harmon. This camera should click on. I didn't really get him looking up at it, did I? Scrapper coming through the alley, throw him off. But yeah, now he's going to act like, I guess he's here to see someone. You know, because my little brother talks to him every now and then. Now he's going to go back the other way. And go back up to the top right camera. And he's going to go back and actually check this neighbor's car that's parked right in between this fence. Should I bump it? Let's bump it. Bump it up. So I'll go a little bit faster. Let's slow it back down since he's coming this way. And this is my property line where this fence is. So he's right about now, he's on my property. And yep, he checked that door handle. Right, where is he? Checks the door handle. Goes walking down. And here he comes checking this door side. I guess this driver's side door was unlocked. But every so often, if I put my pointer here, you can see his head popping up. Like right now, his head's popping up looking. He spends about 3 minutes over there. Bump it up a little bit. See, he's still poking his head out every so often. Right there, his head's poking up again. I lost motion, so it went back to black and white, no more color. And you should see him here in a second. He walks away. Oh, what time is this? In a few more seconds. You see his head poking over. And he leaves. We could see him right there. And he sidetracks and goes and checks this guy's car. He's right here. And it's like he double backs and he goes and checks it. There he is leaving, so I wonder if that car door was open. Where'd he go? I know he goes left because you can see him cut across the light. Well, now let's go back. What's the best picture I can get of him? Is that you, Benny? Is that you, Ben Harmon? No. Let's go back. All right, that's you, Benny, ain't it? Yeah, it's Ben Harmon. Screwed up, man. John left his sunroof open. You could have climbed through the top, I guess. Straighten up, boy.